Okay, this is one of the locks I've received from the lock picking lawyer. I believe it is. It's a unknown keyway. Key or lock. I'm sorry, unknown lock. But it has a Schlage keyway. It does work. This is a bitting on the key. It is a 5-pin. So let's put it in the vise and open it up. I think it has something in it besides just standard pins. It may not have, but we'll check it out and see anyway. Let's use the top of the keyway, and let's use this pick. Let's go to the back. A little bit on 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go to the back again. A little bit more on 5. There's 1. Okay, there it is, open already. Okay, let's open it up and see if it does have something in it besides just standard pins. Okay, we need a small screwdriver. Let me get one. Alright, let's slide it out. Okay, there has been some modifications made on the plug. Let's check our pins. Okay, I think I see what happened to this lock. Someone had tried to make a master key for it and wasn't too successful. They've got 2 wafers in the number 1 pin slot. The rest of this is just standard. Okay, let's see what is in the upper pins now. Okay, that's just a standard pin. It's another standard pin. Standard, well, that's a little small standard pin. Okay, 2 of them. So somehow they had a wafer in that number 3 spot. Looks standard. Okay, and a wafer in that spot. So someone had this, there's another one in that spot. Master keyed. So I guess instead of 2 wafers in this side, one of these wafers actually come out of this one. Okay, there's no modifications made to the Bible, and the only thing I see on this plug is someone filed this down flat, and they filed a little section here across. See if we can take a closer look at the pins. Okay, they had standard upper pin. This is a steel pin in the top, standard pin in the bottom, standard pin in the bottom, another steel pin with a wafer. This number 3 is another steel pin with a wafer, and the last 2, brass pin with a wafer, steel pin with a wafer. And this one looks, okay, that's just a painted pin. Okay, that's what we have in this unknown lock with a Schlage Keyway from Lock Picking Lawyer. Okay, I appreciate it. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. And thank you again.